Hi guys, in this video we will see the SSH related issue. So I was trying to SSH to this Ubuntu system and I'm getting this certificate related issue. So what it is telling is no matching key exchange method found. Negotiation, the SSH key negotiation is being offered by the remote server where we are doing the SSH, that is not in this local system. That has to be present in this local system. I will show you the setup. I have VM. This is a host machine where I am trying to do the SSH to this Ubuntu 1 and Ubuntu 2. So let's log into Ubuntu 1 and see. I'll verify the IP address for you. This is a new system actually. I have not installed anything else. So I'll show you from here itself. So this is the IP address which I am going to do the SSH. So what I have done is that I have enabled the SSH to this system. I'll show you in this Ubuntu 2 I don't have SSH enabled, so I will enable there as well. So first let us fix this issue. I can SSH to this machine, but I don't have the negotiation method in this system, in this host machine, the local host machine. So if you see there is a file in the SSH folder. If you go to this folder SSH ls-l, and you see this config file. This config file will hold the negotiation pattern that it can use, this system can use to connect to the remote server. So let's see what all the patterns are there, what all the negotiation methods are there. So see, for only this machine I have added this negotiation methods which will work with only this. Okay. So what I have to do is I need to add this machine also, or I can make it for entire system. Means I can mark it as a star so that it will not ask in the future for if I am going to log into the any other SSH machine. So let's see first this. I'll do nano and conf. So okay. So first of all, I'll show you this. I'm not able to SSH. SSH. Okay. 10.10.10.99. See, again it is showing I have not used the username. Let me use the username also. Minpy at. Okay, the same thing. So there is no matching key found, exchange key found. So let's add. So first I will add the IP address nano. I'll change this IP address. Okay, and let me change the IP. And just 99. So if you see here, let me show again cat. So what all things the remote server can use, it has offered here. See Defi Hellman group 14 and SA 256 is the negotiation that has added here. So now if I do SSH, see now it is offering to accept the fingerprint because now it has decided a method that it has to negotiate. MinPy. Now it will work. See, now I am logged into the Ubuntu 1 machine. Okay, and if you see the known host of this cat, known host. So one entry is added. Okay, if I remove this, again it will ask for the confirmation. Let me remove it. Nano known host. I will remove this. Okay, let me save it now. If I see There is nothing inside. There is no host inside the known host entry. Now if I do SSH, it will ask me to accept. I can accept it, and then I can go to this one. So I'm able to log in. Okay. So what next is, let's remove the config entry that we have done the configuration, right? So let's remove it and try again. I will change it to some other IP, maybe 100, and let's do the SSH. See, again it is telling that it is not able to SSH. It is not able to, it doesn't has the negotiation method to accept and negotiate and connect to the SSH remote machine. So this is mandatory that it has to be in your system so that it can negotiate on that pattern. So again I will add it. Or if you want to add it for all, just you put star and then save it. So it will not ask for others, any other IP. You can see here it is not asking now. Instead of adding the individual IP address, whatever the remote machine can offer, it is shown here. Out of this, it cannot connect because remote machine does not have the other negotiation pattern. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's enable the SSH to this the one more Ubuntu 2, and let's see if it is connected, because I have not added um, any IP address in the config file here. I just marked as a star, so it will connect to the both. If I have marked as IP address, particular IP address, so one will connect, one will not connect. So we'll see that also. So let's enable here. This will ensure that whenever the system is on, it will enable the SSH. And let's start the SSH now. Okay, let me type it now. Start SSH. If you see the status, it is running now. So now it will able to accept the connection. So let's go here, and since that has 98, I guess. Let me confirm it. If you see here, yeah, 98. Go to this machine and do this. See, now both are connecting. Ubuntu 2, it is able to connect. Ubuntu 2 is also able to connect. So what I will do is I will remove the star and I'll put exact IP address. So we will be able to see. I'll put the IP address for the Ubuntu one. That is, you can do. So what will happen is it will connect to 99 and it will not connect to 98. Let's see, 98. It's saying that not uh, matching key found. If I do for 99, it will connect. See, even the known host is available, that doesn't matter. All it has to be, it should be in config file. You have to tell to your local system that what is the negotiation method, the cipher sheet negotiation method that you have to use for negotiating and connecting to the remote server. So if you see, known host will have to entry because I just did a SSH to two machines, Ubuntu 1 and Ubuntu 2. See, the two entries are there. One entry is this and one entry is this. It is already there, but you will not be able to connect to the remote Ubuntu 2, right? I have just added Ubuntu 1 here in my known host. Sorry, in my config. Okay, so I'll keep it as a star. Since this is a lab, you you can add IP address each time if you do SSH for security purpose. Uh, that will ensure that you don't use a weak cipher suite. That is the main thing. So I have shown you how to fix this issue, and also like how to enable the SSH. You can enable it as you can see. Thank you for watching.